And we're back to learn CapCut in year day 54. Let me show you how you can create rolling credits. Same principle as I've shown in the last video. We'll create a new text element, but this time at the end of our footage. I'll make it a bit bigger. Make sure it's selected in the timeline, and then you can find text basic, and here you can paste all of the names and positions. Let's scale it down a little bit. Let me go to maybe like 30%. Next up, select your footage. We go to animation, out, and use fade out. This makes the clip fade to black, and then our credits should roll. To create the animation for the roll, we go to start of our text element. Make sure once again that it's selected in timeline. We go to text basic, scroll until we can find the position, create a keyframe, and then sometimes they scroll up, sometimes they scroll down. We'll just create a scroll down, so I drag it up. If you want to have a scroll up, you have to drag it down first. The center should be at x0, and you can see the Y position is on top, like 3400. But that's just for me because this is how big my text box is. Your value might be different. Then go to the end position, select it again, and then left click drag. If you can't find it, so if you can't really drag it, just go to position, x0, and type in 0 for Y as well. And then your text element should be in center and you can drag it downwards. Once again, if you want to have it inverted, then you should drag it upwards now. And this creates another keyframe automatically at the end. And if I play it now, you can see our footage fades to black, and then the credits roll from top to bottom. You can select the clip and then reposition these keyframes to adjust the speed. And this is how you can create rolling credits in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.